man or woman, it doesn't
What
matter.
is the primary cause of hair loss?
Some reach the point. We start to
The main
lose
culprit is a hormone called
this is
DHT,
the two cases.
Di-hydro-testosterone.
Man is the one since getting age or genetic, they start to losing the hair. This is the very common cases. Lady is the
Testosterone,
one,
a hormone present in both men and women,
and
albeit in different proportions, is converted into DHT by an enzyme called 5-alpha-reductase.
we must do the analysis of the hairstyle, hair condition. Otherwise, client will forget what was the.
Imagine trying to fill a cracked ceramic pot with water.
So we're gonna
What would you do first? Naturally, you'd seal the cracks before pouring in the water.
And we need to know the right reason. Okay. So we are going to use it, and the tricol for the we have to see the detail, how scalp it is, how healthy, unhealthy at the moment, the hair.
Similarly, when treating hair loss, simply providing nutrients to the hair follicles without addressing the root cause is like pouring water into a broken pot. It's ineffective.
So this machine is the one we can do AI analysis, everything. We have many records.
How I use Mogrox.
So they know.
In my personal practice, I often combine Mogrox with advanced scalp treatments such as Mogrox treatments, such as
where I am. So like this, we can see the thickness and
MTS microneedle therapy system,
care about my hairs. We can see the older system we have it.
Ionto.
Otherwise, the thing we might miss in many things. Density also, we can see the thickness, also see that.
After these treatments, I apply Mogrox using ultrasound technology to enhance absorption into the scalp.
After we analyze all the hair system,
There are two main
we
approaches.
start to use the shampoo. So we're gonna use the shampoo, and after use the shampoo, and we open the pore, and we try to deliver all the ampules, and
Mogrox offers both benefits, but primarily focuses on suppressing DHT locally, making it an effective solution for targeting the root cause of hair loss.
shampoo with the foam, just like that.
Scalp lasers,
This shampoo also we have, like I mentioned you,
promoting growth and regeneration, injecting or applying nutrients that stimulate new hair growth.
at the moment in Korea, we have many kind of the hair salon,
Thus,
hair aesthetics.
using an anti-DHT product alongside other treatments is critical for tackling the fundamental cause of hair loss.
So our shampoo have also
Mogrox is a product designed to inhibit the production of DHT by locally suppressing the activity of the 5-alpha-reductase enzyme, which is responsible for converting testosterone into DHT. By doing so, it addresses the root cause of hair loss.
whatever in the pore. Then this is the one how we gonna do the micro.
Suppressing the root cause of hair loss, DHT, is providing nutrients or solutions that promote hair follicle health and regrowth.
This scalp machine, I'm gonna tell you later.
Suppressing the cause,
Control of the
inhibiting DHT production to stop further damage to hair follicles.
Otherwise, it's gonna be difficult to the treatment for the hairs. This is the
To achieve
one
better and faster results,
also
it's essential to combine two approaches.
to the scalp. Okay. Plus minus. So like the skin, we can open
This
the
combination of addressing both the cause and promoting regrowth makes Mogrox a comprehensive option in hair loss treatment
This
strategies.
is the washing for the hair SMP and the MTS as well. Because of the why I showed this